I ain't got time for this, man. I'm out.
As soon as I leave the house, you wanna page me. See, you got me trapped, I'm going crazy, this is slavery. You act like it's a race, just give me space and we'll get better. And maybe we won't argue and be through with all these sorry letters. As soon as I come home, it's like I get the third degree. Where you been and who you with, I get no room breathes. It makes me wanna leave. I'm sick of these tricks up your sleeve. You're suspicious, I deceive. Give me grief without belief. But to me, if you really trust me, then it's pitiful. Question me about my whereabouts, that's so trivial. Let me live my life and you could yours. Just be there to help me and support me is what you're here for. Not to give me stress and add to pressure. Home is where I go, the rest I go to pass the test. I'm sorry if I left you all alone, but I couldn't make it home, so we argue on the phone. Don't you trust me?
If you're so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, you say you love me, why ain't you here? I'm so sick of your love songs, so sad and slow, but I just can't turn off. I could change the station that I have, 'cause all I hear is you. It just keeps reminding me of all the things we used to do. And I know that I should turn off the radio, but it's the only place I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months since I've spoken to you. You ain't keeping touch. Don't know why it came to this. No, ain't nothing enough. No more walking around with my head down. I don't wanna be a fool crying over you. If you're so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, you say you love me, why ain't you here? I'm so sick of your love songs, so sad and slow, but I just can't turn off the radio.
Calling up my house, then hanging up, you think that makes sense? Tell me what it takes for us to shake so we can be friends. It's time for us to take our separate paths. We had a lot of laughs, but the good things come to the past. Let's make it an even break, don't make it scandalous. Trying to be true, I'm pretty sure that we can handle this. You're saying I'm too busy, I ignore you. I guess you didn't hear me when I said that I cared for you. But now it seems the arguments are nightly. I wanna hold you tightly, but instead you wanna fight me. So why let it stress and aggravate me? Instead I'd rather break, hope you don't hate me. You tell me that you love me, but you're lying. Fighting back the urge to start crying. I wipe away the tears, come and hug me. I love you like you love me, girl, but don't you trust me?
Now that I'm gone, I wanna be alone. And every time I see you smile, it's looking that I'm child. You should know. Oh, why can't you move on if you're so sick of love songs, so tired of tears? You say you love me, why ain't you here? I'm so sick of your love songs, so sad and slow, but I just can't turn off the radio.
I hang up the phone, I can't bear to hear you yelling at me. Maybe we should end it, neither one of us are happy. You know that I'm emotional, you milk me, coming over crying just to get me feeling guilty. You and me were meant to be, and yet you always wanna sweat. How much closer can we get? Don't fret, just let me pack my things and I'll be out. This time I'm breaking out, you let your mouth overcrowd me. I can't take the beefing and the griefing. I get no room to sleep, I hope it seats us 'cause I'm leaving. Maybe next time you'll be a little more sure, and I can give you more when you mature. But baby, until then I gotta leave ya. It's not that I don't need you, but see ya. And I hope you understand why I busted, not because we busted. Hell nah,
If
don't
you're
you
so
trust me?
sick of love songs, so tired of tears, you say you love me, why ain't you here? I'm so sick of your love songs, so sad and slow, but I just can't turn off the radio. I just can't turn off the radio. I just can't turn off the radio.